intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Amazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick review slash second impressions of the new Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. So makeup melting, and I am a big fan of makeup balms. I have used the Drunk Elephant Sleigh makeup balm, the Pharmacy Green Clean. Right now I'm actually using the cherry one, and I love both of them. So I think I have a pretty good reference when I am going to be comparing this to them. So normally I would wipe my eye makeup off with a makeup wipe, but for the sake of the review, I am going to just use this and see how well it takes off the eyeshadow. And I do have some magnetic eyeliner on there plus mascara. So it does come with a little scoop, and this is 3.38 fluid ounces, and here is what it looks like. It's like a light pink, and it really does look like sorbet. So I'm just going to take some of this, put it on the back of my hand, and then let's go for it. It actually kind of does smell like papaya sorbet. I've never had papaya sorbet, but I would imagine this is what it would smell like. It's very hydrating. Okay. So far it feels very, similar to the makeup melting balms that I mentioned earlier. And I really do like Glow Recipe products too. Okay, so let's see how it does with this, especially this magnetic eyeliner. Ooh, okay. And I like to kind of like press down to get the mascara off my lashes. But now I look like a raccoon. Okay, I am gonna wipe that magnetic eyeliner off because it's really hard to get off. My other balms can't get it off just by itself. Okay, but let's go in and put it on my lashes and see how well it takes mascara off. Okay. I think it does a good job of getting the mascara off. I mean, almost all of it is off. Let me do the brows. Okay. Oh, let me get my lips. Oh yeah, I look so sexy. Hey, baby. Alright, so now, like any cleansing balm, I'm going to add some water, and it turns into like kind of a milky consistency. It's not as milky as the other ones. That is something that I noticed, but it's still doing its job. And now I take some sort of washcloth or makeup remover wipe and wet it, and I wipe it off. Okay, so my skin feels super soft, but one thing I do notice that I really like is when using my other balms, especially the Drunk Elephant one, after I wipe it all off, I still feel like I need to go in with a light cleanser to kind of get any leftover residue off my face, but I don't feel like I need to do that with this. Like, I feel completely clean. And I think it did a better job at removing mascara than the other ones. So yeah, I'm really liking this product so far. Hopefully this was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.